Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be discussing one question about composite functions. Okay, so let's look into the question. Given function g inverse fx is equivalent to 3x minus 5 over 2 and the function fx is equivalent to 2 over 3x minus 4 where x is not equivalent to 4 over 3. Find the function gx. Find the value of p if g p plus 1 is equivalent to f inverse 1. Okay, so let's focus on part A first. So part A, we need to find the function gx. We have a composite function which consists of g inverse and fx, which is equivalent to 3x minus 5 over 2. So this is our composite function. So we need to separate and find the g inverse x first. Then only we can find the function gx. So that will be our method. So in order to find the g inverse function, we need to uh, focus on the function fx. The function fx is equivalent to 2 over 3x minus 4. So what are we going to do here? We're going to replace the function fx with this particular value. So we're going to end up getting g inverse in bracket 2 over 3x minus 4, which is the function fx, and it is equivalent to 3x minus 5 over 2. So further, as we continue further, we'll end up getting let y equivalent to 2 over 3x minus 4. And we're going to make x subject. So this entire bracket goes up as 3x minus 4 and the y comes down. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just switching the place here. I'm just switching place between the 3x minus 4 and the y. So I'll end up getting 3x is equivalent to 2 over y plus 4. Then I'll end up getting 3x is equivalent to 2 plus 4y over y. This is because basically 4 means is 4 over 1. I'm just multiplying by y, multiply by y to make it a single fraction. Then I'll end up getting x equals to 2 plus 4y over 3y because the 3 goes down here as 3y. Okay, so take note. So that is x as a subject. So I can continue further in which I can write g inverse of y is equivalent to, so the moment I put g inverse of y, I need to substitute this x, replace this x with this particular value. So I'll end up getting 3 bracket 2 plus 4y over 3y close bracket minus 5 divided by 2. So I'll end up getting a much simplified value. First, I need to cancel the 3 with the 3 and I'll end up getting 2 plus 4y over y minus with 5 over 2. So this one, what I can do, I can just take 5 as 5 over 1 and then multiply by y, multiply by y. The reason why I'm doing this is to make it a single denominator like this and then again divided by 2. So as I continue, I will end up getting my g inverse of y is equivalent to 2 minus y over 2y. The reason how I got this is basically the 4y minus 5y you'll get as negative y. And then whenever we have a y divided by 2, the 2 goes here as a neighbor to the y. So it becomes 2y like this. So now the y I can manually change to x. So the moment the y becomes x here, this y becomes x, this y becomes x. So it becomes 2 minus x over 2x. So basically this is my function separated from the composite function, because the composite function consists of two functions, which is g inverse and fx. So I have already separated the g inverse x out, but the question is not asking for g inverse x, the question is asking for gx. So what we need to do here, we have to inverse this particular function. In order to inverse a function, what we need to do is very simple. We have to make that function equivalent to y, then we have to make x subject. So what happened? 2 minus x will be equivalent to 2xy because the 2x goes up here. And then I'm going to collect all the terms with x one side. So negative x minus 2xy equivalent to negative 2. The 2 going the other side becoming negative 2. And then the entire equation multiplied by negative 1 in order to make it positive. So all the term will become positive. Then I'm going to factorize the x. So 1 plus 2y is equivalent to 2. And I'm going to make x subject. It's going to become 2 over 1 plus 2y. Okay. With that, I can continue to give the answer. The answer for gx will be 2 over 1 plus 2x. And that will be my answer for part A. As simple as that. Okay. So let's go to part B right now. They're asking us to find the value of P if G of P plus 1 is equals to F inverse of 1. Okay, unfortunately, we only have function F. We don't have the inverse function. So first, we need to find the inverse function for the function F. Okay, let's do that. Okay, since Fx is equivalent to 2 over 3x minus 4, I'm going to inverse this function. So in order to inverse the function, we have to make it equivalent to y. So let y equivalent to 3x minus 4, and 3x minus 4 is equivalent to 2 over y. Therefore, 3x equals to 2 over y plus with 4, and 3x is equivalent to 2 plus 4y over y. These steps are exactly same like what we did earlier in this particular portion, which is here. When we wanted to find the individual function, whatever step that I did here in this area is exactly the same. So I'm going to end up getting the same answer, but never mind, I can show you one more time, no problem. So I will end up getting my x is equivalent to 2 plus 4y over 3y after the 3 here goes down here. Okay, so please take note of that. So what happened? My f inverse of x will be 2 plus 4x over 3x. Okay, and my gx is equivalent to, we just found out our gx equivalent to 2 over 1 plus 2x. 2 over 1 plus 2x. So now we're going to follow the statement of the question. The statement of the question says that it's a GP plus 1 is F inverse of 1. So let us find the GP plus 1. So GP plus 1 is equals to F inverse of 1. So GP plus 1 is basically 2 over 1 plus 2 in bracket P plus 1 is equivalent to F inverse, which is 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1 over 3 times with 1. Okay, so it's 2 over 1 plus 2p plus 2 is equivalent to 2 plus 4, which is 6. We can write 6 here and over 3. Then we end up getting 2 over 2p plus 3 is equivalent to 2. Then we can just switch pace between these two, in which this entire bracket goes up and the 2 goes down. So 2 over 2 equals to 2p plus 3. So 1 is equals to 2p plus 3. So bring the 2p the other side. Negative 2p equals to 3. Bring the 1 the other side, minus 1. So negative 2p is 2. P equals to 2 divided by negative 2, which is equals to negative 1. And we have already find the value of P. So please revisit the entire video so that you could understand better. The answers are provided here and my full working is provided. Hope this video helps. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.